In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to install a plugin called PaperZD. First, you need to close the Unreal Engine editor and open the Epic Games launcher if it's not opened. Then go to Fab on the left side. Then we can search for PaperZD. Let's select the PaperZD plugin. Then go to the right side and click on Add to my library. Alright, after that, you should see the Install plugin button. You should click on it. It's going to ask you to select a version of the Unreal Engine. You can go ahead to select the version that you are using with our game product. I am not going to do anything here since I have had this plugin installed. But after the plugin is installed on your side, you can go ahead to open the game product. Go to Edit and select Plugins. Let's search for PaperZD. Then you should see the plugin, and we need to enable it. Then we need to restart the Unreal editor. Alright, after the editor is restarted, we want to double check to make sure the plugin is enabled. So let's search for it again. And you can see it's enabled. Alright, that's it.